So we've been working with a leading plastics manufacturer in the Northwest. We're 3 months into the project, and to date we've identified 40% savings opportunities in the area of their factory where we're monitoring. Of this to date, we've actually achieved a 15% savings already. We've achieved this in 3 ways. Initially, we look at what we call duty cycle savings, money being spent on energy at times when it's not required. So we looked at machines which were being turned on too early in the morning, which there were many, machines which were turned on, used intermittently throughout the day but left running, of which we found a number, and then finally machines that are either left on overnight by mistake or left on too long into the evening. And from doing this, we achieved approximately 15% savings opportunities. We then moved on to look at asset optimisation. This really formed 2 areas. The initial area was a number of machines which were running in a very high energy usage mode overnight when it was not required. Now, in many cases we were able just to simply change that mode. In some cases we had to add switches into the machines to allow us to do that. And then we also identified through our monitoring that many of the same assets they're using, so they had a number of the same types of machine, were basically different ages and therefore did not use the same amount of energy. Old machines were using significantly more energy, up to twice as much. So simply by understanding this and working with the customer, understanding their operation, we've been able to change around their prioritisation so that they basically use the older machines that use less energy less often. This has made a huge saving because this is a huge part of our business. The final part of our project is looking at how we can add technology to their operations to improve our energy efficiency. And we've already found one big opportunity here where we're installing variable speed drives to big old fan units to effectively allow the fan to work at the speed it's needed rather than having to work flat out all the time. As a result, the customers making huge savings, helping them become more competitive in the really challenging business environments and making sure that they're around for many years to come.